Operation video of magnetic suction automatic grinding machine. The external power supply port is located in the lower right corner behind the machine using a 3-phase 380 voltage and a power cord of 4 square meters or more, adopting a 3-phase 4-wire system. In addition to securely connecting the 3 live wires, the ground wire must also be grounded. Then pour the coolant into the blue box. The rotary control switch is integrated into the control panel, which is concise and easy to operate. Step 1. After connecting to the power supply, release the emergency stop button until the power indication light is on, and the entire machine enters a powered on state. Step 2. Rotate the knob of the water pump switch on the control console to the right and turn it to the left to turn off the water pump. Step 3. Press magnetic on until the light is on so that the electromagnetic suction cup can suck on the workpiece. Press magnetic off to stop the electromagnetic suction cup from sucking on the workpiece. Step 4. With the magnetic switch turned on, press grinding motor on until the light is on so that the grinding head is in motion. Press the grinding motor off button to stop the grinding head from running. Step 5. Rotate to select manual mode. Step 6. Press stroke left or stroke right and the motor will move to the left or right. In manual mode, if the motor needs to move continuously to the left or right, the stroke left or stroke right button needs to be held down continuously. Rotate to select automatic mode. In automatic mode, simply press the stroke left or stroke right button once. The power head will automatically travel back and forth when it reaches the travel positioning device on the travel positioning slider. Step 7. Rotate the speed knob on the control panel to freely adjust the speed of the feed motor's left and right movement. The control panel is equipped with an emergency stop button, which stops the entire machine from running when pressed. Before installing the blade to be ground, adjust the distance of the positioning block according to the length of the blade and ensure that the back of the blade is tightly against the positioning block. Rotate to the left and release the tool holder angle adjustment fixing device. Twist the handwheel to adjust the tool tilt angle. After adjusting to the desired position, rotate to the right to lock the tool holder angle adjustment fixing device. Adjusting the vertical feed amount is achieved by rotating the handwheel on the grinding wheel bracket, which is equipped with a scale ring under the handwheel. Clockwise direction for feed, counterclockwise direction for turn back. To avoid affecting the quality of grinding, it is necessary to regularly use a diamond pen to correct the sharp edges of the grinding wheel. If the grinding wheel wears to a certain extent, it should be replaced in a timely manner. 3 different specifications of gaskets are randomly matched and can be selected as needed. Replace tools of different length and open the door of the workbench to put or take them out. Fully automatic magnetic suction type. No need to tighten fixing screws. The process tool is smooth, sharp, and free of burrs. This machine is mainly used for grinding various types of straight-edge cutting tools at different angles, suitable for various types of cutting tools in industries such as furniture, printing, plastics, textiles, etc., and can also be used for high-speed tool steel beveled openings, etc.